What's up guys, welcome back to Cooking with Lev. I'm gonna be making roulade out of pork leg today in the oven. This is the first time, so we're gonna try and see how it's gonna come out. Usually this is done on the rotisserie or on the grill or on an open fire, but we're gonna try in the oven. Stay with me, we're gonna cook this today. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. My roulade is ready. Looks beautiful. Texture is great. Nice and crispy. You guys can hear the sound. Its taste is amazing. I already tasted. So thanks again for watching, guys. Don't forget to follow the channel and don't forget to turn on your notifications. Don't miss out on the upcoming videos. Cheers, guys. Ooh. Very nice and crispy, tastes like candy. Amazing. Very tender and juicy.